On the 15th of September, the temple staff of Cangjisan Weixin Shengjiao's headquarters, Xiangfosi Temple, invited the Venerable Wangcan Laozhu to be seated at the altar of lantern poles for the upcoming 2023 Amitabha Buddha birthday celebration ritual. Through erecting the lantern poles and raising the flags to announce the launch of Dharma Assembly in 10 directions of Dharma realm, and to summon 15,615 surnames of Chinese ancestral spirits and the spirits from the 3 realms and 10 Dharma directions to listen to Dharma and receive the offerings. 2023 Amitabha Buddha birthday celebration ritual is going to be held at 10,000 Buddha Zen Hall of the headquarters on September 22nd. After 99 days of Dharma Assembly, the Grand Refuge ceremony will be held on December 29th to complete the ritual. That's why this Dharma Assembly is also known as the 99-day ritual, which is an important ritual held at the end of every year in Weixin Shengjiao for transferring Chinese ancestral spirits to be reborn in the Western Pure Land of ultimate bliss. This ritual is also the preparatory work for annual Chinese United Ancestors Worship Ceremony. After the completion of the 99-day ritual, the ancestral spirits will be immediately invited to the venue of the ceremony. Every year, the temple staff will erect the lantern poles before the ritual. In the sound of firecrackers, 7 flags were raised in sequence, and the news of the launch of Dharma Assembly was spread throughout 10 directions of Dharma realm. There are various lotus tablets could be set up in this Dharma Assembly, including ancestors, personal karma creditors, the deities of the households and factories, the infant spirits, etc. All the faithful and virtuous friends are welcome to join the ritual. If you want to participate in this ritual, please contact our registration hotline 049-2724-669 immediately. Weixin Report, the headquarters, Xiangfosi Temple.